Hello and welcome to episode 23 of Global Journeys Navigating Immigration. I'm Sam Bayat, and today we're exploring the exciting yet challenging world of entrepreneurship for immigrants. Starting a business in a new country can be both daunting and rewarding. But before we dive into the practical aspects, let's discuss the most crucial steps: understanding and adapting new environment, cultural immersion, and market research. As I often tell my clients, before even considering starting a business, spend time observing and understanding local culture. Sit at a street corner and watch how people interact, how they commute, what they eat, and even how they walk. This seemingly passive activity is crucial for your entrepreneurial journey. By observing daily life, you'll gain insight into consumer behavior and preferences, business etiquette and communication style, popular product and services, gaps in the market that you might be uniquely positioned to fill. Remember, as a newcomer, everything is new to you. Take in as much as possible. The observational period would not only help you identify business opportunities, but also assist you in overall cultural integration. Visa consideration. Many countries offer specific visas for immigrant entrepreneurs. Research the requirements and ensure your business idea aligns with the visa criteria. Understanding local business regulations. Every country has its own rules for business registration, taxation, and employment. Research thoroughly or consult with local experts to ensure compliance. Funding challenges. Explore various funding options, including microloans, crowdfunding platforms, and government grants for small businesses. Building a network. Networking is crucial. Join local business associations, attend industrial events, and consider partnering with the local entrepreneurs who understand the market. Leveraging unique perspective. Your international background can be an asset. Consider how your diverse experience and connections can give you a competitive edge. Local board of directors. Consider inviting local professionals to sit on your board of directors. Their insight can be invaluable in decision making and navigating local business landscapes. Starting a business as an immigrant is challenging, but it's also an opportunity to bring fresh ideas and innovation to your new home. Remember, many successful global companies were founded by immigrants. Your unique perspective, combined with a deep understanding of local needs and culture, could be the key to your business success. In our next episode, we'll explore the process of recognizing foreign credentials and navigating professional licenses in a new country. Until then, I'm Sam Bayat, reminding you that in the world of immigrant entrepreneurship, your diverse background and keen observation skills are your strengths. Stay innovative, stay determined, and most importantly, stay observant.